So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to make real money by playing Palmon Survival on the Swagbucks application. So once Swagbucks is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom left and press on Games. Then where it says Get Started, press on that. It'll redirect you to a new web browser right here. So once you guys are here, we want to look for the game called Palmon Survival. So we're going to go to where it says Sort by Most Popular. Then we're going to press on A to Z. And we're going to scroll down all the way to where it says P. Or in this case, we're looking for Palmon Survival. So we're going to go up here, keep going up. We're at S's right now, Rise of Kingdoms. So RS. Elemental P right here. Earn up to 94,000 playing Palmon Survival. So if you were to go ahead and select this right here, it'll then bring you to this page where if you go to the top, press on Get Now, you have to first and foremost download the game. Now once that is done, if you were to scroll down, you can earn Swagbucks by reaching level 6, level 13, etc. Basically playing your way through the game and ranking up, you can earn Swagbucks. And once you guys accumulate enough Swagbucks, you can actually turn those into gift cards and real money by cashing them in and exchanging them over time. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to make real money by playing Palmon Survival on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.